Hello friends, welcome back to the next episode of AWS. This is Subran Sumanti. Welcome all of you. Today we will be learning how to create virtual machine, that is EC2 instance on AWS on Amazon. It is known as EC2. So in the last video we have seen how to create an account in AWS. Now I will be logging into my account using my user ID and password. Wait a moment. Here I have to sign up with my user ID. Click next. Enter the password. Sign in. Here I go. After login, this will be the main page. So I have to create a virtual machine, that is EC2, and for that I have to click here, launch a virtual machine. So I can create a Amazon Linux virtual machine or Ubuntu, CentOS or Windows. Any type of virtual instance I can create. Today I will be creating Windows virtual machine. In the next episode we will be creating CentOS or Linux, anyone. So you can see here these are all free tier Windows virtual machines. So I will click any one of the image and I will choose this one, T2 micro, that is free tier eligible. If I will choose any other, I have to pay. So next, configure instance. Here I will not change anything. By default all these things I will choose. Next, add storage. I will choose the default 30 GB hard drive. Next, add text. You can add the key values here. Key value I will put name, and this will be Windows, anything you want. Next, so I will be creating a new security group, otherwise you can choose a existing one will be by default. So you can add some rules, like here you can add all traffic, or you can add HTTPS, SSH, anything you want to have in your virtual machine you can add here. I will be adding HTTP, then I will be adding from anywhere, so that any machine can able to access my virtual machine. So next, review and launch. This is okay. Then I have to create a key pair. In order to access this virtual machine, I have to create a new key pair. Key pair name you can give anything. I will give Win1 as a key pair. So I will be downloading this key pair. Then I will go and launch the instance of VMware. Launch instance of AWS. So I will click here. The key is downloaded as a .pem file. I have Putty already installed in my laptop. If you don't know how to install Putty, I will be making another video for that. You see, it will take some time. It is showing pending because it will take some time to up. Wait for that. Now the instance state, you can see it's running. So it's checking the status. When it will be 2 by 2, it means it will done. This is the public IP. We can copy this public IP and can connect to this Windows machine when the status will be 2 by 2 completed. Otherwise we can copy this public DNS and access this. Here you can check the status. Okay, up this arrow, all are initializing, monitors, text, everything you can check here one by one. It's taking some time because we are now creating one virtual machine. Virtual machine is that doesn't exist physically, that is one logical one. So this is a virtual machine of operating system Windows we are going to create on AWS. In the next video you can see how to create a CentOS or Linux or Ubuntu virtual machines one by one. Still not completed, it's initializing. When it will be initialized, we can do the necessary things to connect to this virtual machine. I will be showing you how to connect. You can connect through this remote desktop file. You can download this remote desktop file, otherwise you can go to your computer setting, you can go to the RDP and try to connect. So you can try to connect this from here. Okay, for that I need get password. How to get password? I have already downloaded one PEM file. Yeah, this is the password. You can copy this password, can paste in a notepad if like for further help. Okay, you see this is 2 by 2. Check completed. It means the AWS has been, the VM has been created successfully on this AWS. Now we can connect it. So download this remote desktop file. In order to connect, I will try to connect this one. User is administrator and password I have already copied here. No, this is not the password. Password I need to copy again. Okay, this is the password. Control C and Control V. It's trying to connect. You see, it's trying to connect the virtual machine. This is the remote virtual machine. I have installed Windows Server 2016. See, it's taking some time to getting rebooted for the first time. So yes, it's been successfully created. So you can minimize this. So this is the end of this video. In the next video we will be creating a EC2 machine on CentOS.